Hey, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable a sweepstake into your own Facebook fan page. Sweepstakes are one of the best ways to increase Facebook page engagement, spreading the word about your brand and grow your fan base substantially. So I'd really recommend you to use this. And what a sweepstake basically does is it gives your fans or your users a chance to win something that you have to offer. So that's really something that really works on Facebook, because they like to do contests and they like to win something. And the good thing is that every time someone enters your contest using WordPress or Facebook, they'll automatically get one entry to win a prize. But every time that one of their friends joins the contest as well after them, the first user get also an extra entry for every single friend that enters. So this way you can really let it go viral by saying, hey, if you want to increase your chances of winning, spread the word about this contest, about this sweepstake, and every time one of your friends will join as well, you get an extra entry. So you have a higher chance of winning this awesome prize. And right now I'm going to show you how to set it up. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new page, a WordPress for Facebook page, which will be the page that they will see after they have joined your sweepstake. So I'm just going to call it "Thanks for joining." And on this page you can have something like "Thanks for joining our sweepstake." And it's really important to mention on this page that they will get an extra entry for every single time they will get one of their friends will also join this contest. So you can say you have now one entry in our contest, but you can get more entries. Of course, you should come up with some maybe better text than I'm doing right now. I'm just showing you how it's working basically. So every time now I'm saying, well, currently you got one entry in the contest, but you can get more entries every time that one of your Facebook friends signs up. And of course, when they just joined your contest, they will have one entry. But later on, when their friends have signed up as well, they might have more entries, because that's what this feature does. So we don't want it to say always one entry, because if they come back later, they want to see, hey, now I got 4 entries maybe. So we're going to replace this with a short code, and the short code is called the sweepstake entries. And this will automatically show how many entries that user has after he has entered the sweepstake. So if he comes back later, he can just he will be able to see how many entries he has. So you can also mention PS so something like this. And of course you also want to make sure that it's easy for them to share the message. So for example, I'm going to include a Facebook share button. You can even call it "Get more entries by sharing." And this enables the Facebook share button. And if you want to make sure that you get the best results, then you need to create a good title here, a good description here, and need to upload a good image. Here I'm just going to select one from before. So this is just a really basic page, once again, just to show you how it's working. I'm going to select the layout, of course, and I'm going to make sure that I selected the correct application. At this point I only have one, so it's always the right one, but if you have multiple, make sure that you create the select the correct application, hit publish, and so far we only created the page that they will see. So we haven't really created the sweepstake yet, and that's what we're going to do now. We're going to the WordPress for Facebook menu, and we're going to the sweepstake menu. And here's the place where you can create a new sweepstake. So the name is just for your own reference, so I'm just going to call it video demo in this case. And you can choose to either have a button with a text on it, or you can upload your own image, which will be used as the button where the user have to click in order to join the sweepstake. So for this example, I'm just going to use the text-based button, join contest. And the success page is the page that we just created. You can even submit your the email address to Aweber or MailChimp or some other email providers, so that you make sure that you can email them later on to build your own email list. I'm just not going to do that for now in this demo. Hit submit, and as you can see, it's now created. I'm going back to my WordPress for Facebook pages, and I'm going to my first page in this case, and I'm gonna go to shortcodes and click on the sweepstake, not the sweepstake entries, but the sweepstake. And then I'm gonna select the right sweepstake that I want to implement and hit insert shortcode, hit update, and as you can see, there's the button, and when I click it, I'll automatically get the message from Facebook to allow this application to join. I'm going to click login with Facebook. As you can see, it will now gather the data that it needs. So it will gather all my friends, and I have a lot of friends at this moment, so that's why it's taking quite a bit of time, so that it can function later on, so it knows when one of my friends signs up as well. There you go. Thanks for joining our sweepstake. You have now one entry. It's automatically filled in because I have only one. And every time one of your Facebook friends join the contest, you'll get an extra entry for free. And of course, I can share a message, and it shows the title and description that I entered earlier as well. And when I then share a message, then it will automatically post to my wall. And every time one of my friends signs up as well, I get an extra entry. I just opened another Facebook account, a test account of mine, which is friended with the account that I just showed you. So when I just gonna enter the contest with this account as well, it should give the exact same result. It will load, and then it will show that I have one entry in this contest. As you can see, I have one entry. And when I then go back to my my other account, my first account, and when I click join contest again to check my stats, I will automatically see you have now 2 entries, so you should make it 2 entries in our contest. And when I go back to WordPress for Facebook and I click on the sweepstake function, you will also see the show entries button. And this will list all the entries that you have for this specific contest. And when you want to get a winner, you can just press this button, and it will randomly, based on the number of entries, randomly assign a winner, who you can then contact to award them the prize. So click get winner. I'm in luck. I won this contest. So this is the sweepstake feature. It's once again, it's really powerful if you use it right. We created it in a way that you can come up with your own design, and created it in a way that you can come up with your own kind of touch to it. So I really recommend you to go nuts with it, to be really creative, and to get awesome results with this tool. Have a great day.